It's kind of fun. You don't see this every day. Helicopter dragging the wire. It looks like a toy RC helicopter, like tethered. It's so weird.
Preserved and safe on a high-up shelf where soiled little fingers can't mess. Catalogued, labeled and rarely played, polished and pure and possessed. Ah, that's not music. Ah, that's a pickle. Ah, that's not music. Ah, that's a pickle. Best keep your songs in the safety of darkness and never expose them to light.